Well, first of all, let me say this. The Strada Scholars Program is a game changer for the students here at the university. If you take a look at the profile of our students here, some of them are first generation. They're on Pell Grants, and they have everything that it takes to be successful, sometimes except money.
At first I had to take out loans because I didn't have enough financial aid to pay for school, and I didn't want my parents to have to take out loans because they already have loans for when they were in school. So I was like, what am I gonna do? So I ended up having to get a job. So I was working and in school and working work study at school.
I'm a full-time parent, I'm a full-time worker. So with Strada, that allowed me to finish school in 2.5 years because with the funding, I was able to, pay for school and take overloads. So I went to school summer, spring, fall, and take overload classes.
Strada impacted me in a lot of ways. It helped me become a better leader. It helped me be more confident within myself. It also helped me financially, and it's really a blessing.
The dream of the chancellor is to make sure that our students have all of the necessary resources, whether it be supportive or wraparound services or financial resources to complete their education. We find that a lot of times our students have to stop out or drop out because they've either used up all their financial aid or the money that they have saved will not bring them into their sophomore or their junior years.
When I was in high school, I graduated third of my class, and I wasn't able to get any sort of scholarship or funds when I came here. And I had to apply for emergency funding, but it still wasn't enough to pay off the tuition. So Strada definitely took that burden off of me.
We have had a lot of initiatives to happen at this institution, but not the type of impact that Strada has had on the students that have become a part of this program.
5 years from now, I'll have my own building here in the city of New Orleans, counseling kids, hopefully like you all, giving away scholarships so kids like myself can go to school, graduate, and just be able to give other people opportunities.
I plan on becoming an actuary, which would be figuring out the financial risk of insurance, basically calculating the money behind that.
Right now, I'm in the process of going work for the New Orleans Police Department. I start the academy in March, so I'll be a policewoman for a couple years, and then I'll go to law school to eventually be a prosecutor.
Strada has really instilled that confidence in them, that focus on what they want, and allow them to use the skills that have been obtained to do some networking for their future.
If I didn't get the Strada scholarship, I probably wouldn't be sitting right here getting ready to graduate in 2.5 years. So it helped out a lot, for sure.